As you can see from that first clip there, we are having turkey, bacon, and ranch baked potatoes. I preheated my oven to 295. Let's pop this bacon on. I have some potatoes that I'm going to put some salt in. I don't know if you have to do this, but I do it because I, in my mind, feel like you can scrub them better. I have 6 potatoes. Here is 6 pre-cut foils that I've already done. A bowl of cooking oil with my basting brush and salt. I have here my towel that I'm going to scrub the potatoes with. That water is so nasty. The potatoes are all clean. I have dried them and placed them on their foil. Now I'm about to baste it with the oil and sprinkle it with some salt, wrap them up, and pop those bad boys in the oven at 400 degrees. Now that the bacon is all done, let's go ahead and place a paper towel over them, or you can put them on the paper towel to absorb that grease. Now let's heat up our turkey. This is some Hillshire Farm turkey lunch meat. I'm gonna put some bacon grease in the pan and then just heat it until it's browned, and then I'm gonna chop it up as I'm doing so. As you can see back there, the potatoes are done. I did bake them in my cast iron skillet. Cooking the meat is very simple. You're just gonna put it in your bacon grease, chop it up until it is heated through the way you like it. Gonna cut up some green onion. No, these are not kitchen shears, but I don't care. This is what I use for my kitchen. Okay, we now have our bacon in the chopper. So the bacon is now out of all of that grease. Let's start our potatoes. Let's start by adding some butter. This is completely up to you because you know you're gonna use ranch, but we like to put butter and ranch, and some of us prefer butter ranch and sour cream. But I'm simply just adding the butter, putting some pepper, using some seasoned salt, and then I'll go ahead and top it with the rest of the ingredients. I didn't get the shredded cheese from Walmart, so I'm gonna have to use this Velveeta cheese sauce, which was still good. It was a little on the salty side, but it was still pretty good. All right, y'all, we are now at the end of this delicious video. I pray you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, subscribe, and share us out.